Think the EV future is quiet, boring, and slow? Well, think again. Toyota just gave its full-size beast a serious update, and it's anything but tame. Meet the 2026 Toyota Tundra. Yeah, it's still gas-powered, but don't scroll yet, because in a world rushing toward electric everything, Toyota's doubling down on making hybrids smarter, tougher, and more American than ever. If you want real truck performance without range anxiety, this is your truck. And what's new in 2026 might just surprise you. Starting with the outside, the Tundra still has that big, bold look that means business on any US road. The new Wavemaker blue paint, exclusive to the TRD Pro, screams adventure. Massive grille, strong fenders, and LED lighting that wraps into the body gives the Tundra a muscular, refined face with body color trim on lower tier SX models and 20-inch wheels now standard. The whole lineup feels more upscale. Power deploying running boards on some trims make getting in feel more luxury than work truck inside. It's all about comfort and capability. The IsoDynamic seats with shock absorbers from the Tacoma TRD Pro are now here, and their wild long road trips or off-road trails just got way easier on your back. Capstone models get textured Shale leather. Limited gets upgraded. Standard leather rear air vents are now standard in double cab models, making it friendlier for families. The tech is made for American drivers. Massive touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Cloud updates, smart voice control, premium audio with serious clarity. Even the dash layout and steering feel tailored for long hauls or daily commutes. Under the hood you get the choice of a twin-turbo V6 or the hybrid iForce. Max up to 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. It pulls hard, smooth, and handles freeway speeds with confidence. It's quiet when cruising and firm when towing. Fuel tank is now 32 gallons. Standard hybrid models offer great range without EV charging hassles. For Americans with home garages or long road trips, that's peace of mind. Charging isn't a worry because you're not relying on public stations. Safety stays top tier. Toyota Safety Sense Suite is standard. Features like lane keep, adaptive cruise, blind spot, and rear cross traffic alerts designed to meet or exceed NHTSA standards. So what's the takeaway? Pros: powerful hybrid option, smooth ride, real truck utility, next-gen comfort. Strong tech. Cons: price creeps up, not a full redesign still, no full EV bottom line. If you're a truck buyer who values comfort, performance, and proven tech over hype, the 2026 Tundra is built for you. It's perfect for families, road warriors, and anyone who wants a future-ready truck without giving up good old American muscle.